What if you could generate stunning, hyper-realistic images just by typing a few words? Well, now developers can do exactly that, thanks to OpenAI's latest upgrade to its image generator. This is a game changer for apps, websites, and creative platforms everywhere. Before we dive into the details, take a second to like this video, subscribe for more AI insights, and drop a comment if you've ever used AI image tools before. OpenAI just made the powerful image generation model behind ChatGPT available through its API. This move opens the door for developers to integrate cutting-edge visuals into their products using the same tech that recently went viral for creating Ghibli-style photos and AI-generated action figures. The new model, called GPT Image 1, isn't just another image tool. It's a multimodal AI, which means it can create images across various styles, follow detailed instructions, pull from real-world knowledge, and even render text within the images. Over 130 million ChatGPT users created more than 700 million images during the first week of its release. Demand was so high, it actually pushed OpenAI's capacity to its limits. Developers now have full control over how images are generated. They can choose the number of images, adjust the quality to balance speed and detail, and set moderation sensitivity based on their app's needs. Moderation options include a default auto mode and a low setting for less restrictive filtering. OpenAI has also prioritized transparency and safety. Every image made with GPT Image 1 is embedded with C2PA metadata, allowing supported platforms to recognize the image as AI-generated. This ensures content remains traceable, helping to prevent misuse or confusion. The pricing is competitive and flexible. For developers, it's $5 per $1 million input tokens for text, $10 for image input, and $40 per $1 million output tokens. In simpler terms, you're looking at roughly 2 cents for low quality, 7 cents for medium, and 19 cents for high quality square images. Major companies are already jumping in. Adobe, Airtable, Wix, GoDaddy, Canva, and Figma are either integrating or experimenting with GPT Image 1. Figma now allows users to generate and edit images directly through the model, while Instacart is testing it to visualize recipe steps and shopping lists. This is just the beginning of a new wave of intelligent, AI-powered design. Whether you're a developer, content creator, or entrepreneur, this upgrade could drastically change how you deliver visuals to your audience. Don't forget to check out the related video in the corner to learn more about how AI is transforming creative industries.